How to withdraw from Binance to a bank account. I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Binance to your bank account using Binance P2P trading. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in your Binance account, your identity verification is complete, and you have funds available in your wallet. Also, make sure your bank account preferred payment method has already been added to your Binance account. To get started, open the Binance app and tab Assets in the bottom right corner. Next, go to your funding wallet and open P2P trading. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Many users choose USDT, but you can select any supported asset available in your wallet. Enter the amount you want to convert into cash and review the estimated amount you will receive in your local currency. Next, choose your payment method and select bank transfer. This will show buyers who can send funds directly to your bank account. Browse the available offers and review important details such as buyer's completion rate and rating, transaction limit, and offered price. Once you have found a suitable buyer, tap sell and carefully review the transaction details, including the amount, price, and payment method. Confirm the order and follow the on-screen instructions. Binance will hold your crypto in escrow while the buyer sends the payment. Before releasing the crypto, make sure you have received the money in your bank account and verified the payment yourself. After confirming the funds you have arrived, release the crypto to complete the transaction. And that's how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account using Binance P2P trading. Always keep communication within Binance and follow the Binance security guidelines for a safe transaction.